The problem for today that we are going to cover is an n queens problem. What is the problem? I will just make you all understand. And the solution to the problem we are going to achieve using another new technique here, which is called as backtracking. Now, when do we use backtracking and when do we use dynamic programming? In case I'm looking for one optimal solution out of the total possible solution space, I will be using dynamic programming. In case I am looking at all the possible solutions I want to get, whatever there are possible, in that case, I will be using backtracking. This gives me more than one possible solution. It gives me all the possible solutions using the state space diagram, which we'll just be creating. We'll see how we do that. So if single solution can suffice in a situation, we use dynamic. Otherwise, we will be using backtracking. So let us understand what is an NP. हाँ बेटा.
मैम आपने क्या बोला? All possible optimal solutions या all possible solutions?
Optimal or non-optimal here will be same only. All possible solutions.
Okay, ma'am.
We are not looking at optimal solutions in this case. We are only looking at जितने भी solutions possible हैं, out of those which are the solutions which satisfy our particular conditions. We want to have all such problems. Now understand, I am for now the chessboard is 16 cross 16. A real chessboard is of size 16 cross 16, if you all know. Just for the sake of simplicity, I am considering a chessboard of size 4 cross 4. And unlike a real game in which there are only 2 queens, in a size 4 cross 4 chessboard, I have 4 queens that I want to place on the board such that no queen is under attack. No queen should be under attack. So what is happening in this case is, when can a queen be under attack? If two queens are lying in the same row or same column or same diagonal, then they happen to be under attack. If you all have played chess, you will be aware of this. If you have not played chess, then also understand that if I am having a queen here and if another queen is in the same row or same column or in the same diagonal, then it can be attacked. So since I do not want the queen to be under attack, so the conditions that should be satisfied for all the 4 queens should be that none of the queens lie in the same row or same column or same diagonals, either of the diagonals. So 4 queens problem is represented here. For a n cross n chessboard, n queens problem will be represented later on. Is the problem clear to all now? What are we trying to do here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So to solve this problem, now if we are trying to solve this complete problem in a 4 cross 4 board, there are 16 possible positions initially for queen 1, and we have 4 queens to be placed. So total number of possible solutions for placing n queens in a 4 cross 4 board comes to be 16c4 by permutation combination. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this is a very big solution space. I try to reduce this solution space just since I know that I have to place 4 queens and there are only 4 rows. I say that queen 1 has to be placed in row 1 only. Queen 2 should be placed in row 2. Queen 3 in row 3, queen 4 in row 4, and so on. So that now queen 1 has only 4 possible options. Queen 2 has only 4 possible options. Queen 3 again has only 4 possible options, and queen 4 again has only 4 possible options. So I have reduced the solution space here so that the number of solutions that I have to find before seeing which are satisfying my conditions, the total number of solutions is reduced by fixing that queen 1 will be there in one column, row 1. Is it clear? So now
Yes,
the
ma'am.
solution that will be there to this problem can be stored in a single array of size 4, where queen 1, whichever column number queen 1 is going to be stored, that I am going to store here. Queen 2's column number here, queen 3 and queen 4 column number will be stored in this. Whatever, there are more than one possible solutions. I'm trying to find all. So backtracking mein, I try to generate the solution. If I find that my conditions are not being satisfied, I backtrack my solution. What do I mean by that? So let's try building the solution. So what am I doing here? Initially, I am placing queen 1 in position 1. So what happens there? I place my queen 1 in the first position. That is column 1 in the first row. Now I will try to place queen 2 so that it is not in the same row. It is definitely not in the same row, not in the same column and not in the same diagonal. So I have to leave first two places and I can only add queen 2 in the third column for a possible solution. Understanding? Are you all understanding how am I placing queen 2 and queen 1? So
Yes, ma'am.
So after this, if I now try to put queen 3, I cannot put in column 1 because q1 is already there. I cannot put in column 2 because it is in the diagonal of q2. I cannot put in column 3. It is the same column. I cannot put in column 4 because it is again in the diagonal. So there is no possible solution here. There is no possible solution. I will backtrack. So backtracking का क्या meaning हुआ? That supposedly I was going to a possible solution जो कि first it was coming out, this was q1, this was q2. I backtrack and I try to find another place for q2 that can still be satisfied. So I place q2 instead of column 3, I place q2 now at column 4. This is still a feasible solution. Q1 and Q2 are not under attack. And now Q3 can be placed in column number 2. Still Q1, Q2, Q3 are not in attack. Are you all understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now Q4 cannot be placed in column 1, 2, 3 or 4. Again, I do not have a solution. Again backtrack. Q3 cannot be placed anywhere else. Backtrack. Q2 की भी ये सारी positions हम check कर चुके हैं. Backtrack to Q1. Now give Q1 another possible column. So what I do is I put Q1 in second column and again try creating the solutions which satisfy my conditions. Are you all understanding the concept of backtracking? I backtrack my given solution and then keep on changing till I am able to find a feasible solution. Understanding?
Yes,
So here
ma'am.
I will try to put Q2. Now the only feasible place for Q2 in this solution is in the column 4. So I will put, since Q1 is in column 2, I will be putting Q2 in column 4. Then after this, Q3 can be placed in column 1. So I will be placing Q1 in column 2, Q2 in column 4. Q3 has been placed in column 1. Again, they are not under attack. And finally, after this, I can place Q4 in column 3 so that none of them will be in attack. If after this, since I'm short of space, I'm not drawing another chessboard here. But if I'm placing Q4 here, then this is one feasible solution to the 4 queens problem. And we have found this solution using backtracking. So this is one possible solution. Now, if I represent what this solution is, so the solution that we have got here is 2, then it is 4, then it is 1, and this is 3. So the solution that you will be representing is 2, 4, 1, 3. Or you can represent it in this form, whatever form you are representing. This is one possible solution to 4 queens problem using backtracking. Understanding? Now I am not looking at one solution, I am looking at more than one solutions. I told you we are looking at more than one solutions. So we try for everything and we can create state space diagram for the 4 queens problem. Now what do I mean by a state space diagram and what is happening? So let me try to draw a state space diagram for you all. What do I mean by that? Now moving from various positions, whatever the positions are, I am just numbering every node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Node number is not mentioning much. It is only giving me the number of node in the tree to identify each node. So as I am creating a node, I am numbering it. So supposedly there is a first node in my state space diagram. Now I am moving here with my initial. हमने क्या करा था n queens में? हमने queen 1 को position 1 दी थी. This was my initial. After second node, what did I do? I gave queen 2 ko, we gave a position. Now 1 could not be given to queen 2 ko initially second position दी. Now I will be reaching node 3. यहाँ से हमें backtrack करना पड़ेगा. I could not be reaching any possible solution from here. Now this is only representing a possible solution that queen 1 is at 1, queen 2 is at 2, queen 3 is at 3, and queen 4 is at 4th column. So that they are all in different rows and different columns, but they are still in the same diagonal. So this is not a clear solution, but this is one possible solution. This is not the optimal or feasible solution जो हमें चाहिए, but this is a possible solution that we might reach. Similarly, now from where we will be changing. Now, since this is not feasible when we are reaching here, this was also not feasible, we go here. We try to change from here and we are changing the position of queen 3 from 3 to 4. Now again we are not having feasible solution, creating and changing the position of queen 4 from 4 to 3. Are you understanding what is happening in the state space diagram? Similarly, since we are not reaching, we will again be changing the position here from 2 to 3 for the queen 2. Every level is representing, this is queen 1 level, queen 2 level, queen 3 level and queen 4 level. ये समझ आ रहा है? And these are only representing the column numbers for every queen. I am trying to build all possible solutions here, which are feasible here. So अभी जरूरी नहीं है सारे feasible ही हो. We are backtracking. This is the way we backtrack and we build. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
I will explain it again. Wait.
Ma'am, जब change किया seconds.
है बच्चे. So in my state space diagram, I'm again saying what I'm drawing now is a state space diagram. Initially, the diagram which I am drawing is not checking the queens are under attack or not. It is only checking the queens have different rows and different columns. Only checking different row and different column. Diagonal attacks we are not checking right now. Correct? So initially, what is happening is I begin with the node 1. From node 1, when I am beginning, I am saying I am placing queen 1 at first column. So I place my queen 1 here. I reach a node 2. Then I am placing queen 2 in second column. I am reaching a node 3 by placing queen 2 in second column. Similarly, I am placing queen 3 in third column. And I am placing queen 4 in fourth column. Now this has given me one solution. Whether the solution is feasible or not, that we will check later. But this is one possible solution where all the queens are in different rows and different columns. They are definitely under attack. So this is not a feasible solution, but this is one possible solution. So we will now backtrack this and we will try to generate more solutions. How do we backtrack? Is there any other location for queen 4? No, there is no other location for queen 4. Every column has everything else. So we backtrack by changing the location of queen 3. Is there any other possible location for queen 3? Yes, there is one more possible location, which is the fourth column. So what we do? We are now putting queen 3 in fourth column for another possible solution. And then queen 4 can be put in the third column. So queen 4 can be put in the third column. Are you all now understanding what I am saying? Now is it becoming more clearer? A yes or no? Mansi and others are also able to understand now. Again, this is not a feasible
Yes,
solution. We again backtrack. Now queen 3 की भी सारी positions try हो गई. So we now change the position of queen 2 and then we try to build solutions. So now I will be changing the position of queen 2 to the third column. So now I am changing queen 2 to the third column. So this I am only mentioning the column number here now. This is, see, first level represents queen 1 का, where 1 is here. स्टेट स्पेस है, क्वीन 1 के फर्स्ट स्पेस पे यहाँ आए हो, देन क्वीन 2 के सेकंड कॉलम पे आए हैं, 3 कॉलम पे यहाँ आए हैं. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सॉल्यूशन हाउ वी आर बिल्डिंग? सो आफ्टर रीचिंग हियर देयर आर नाउ क्वीन 3 कैन बी प्लेस्ड इन कॉलम 4 और इन कॉलम 2. वी विल फर्स्ट बी गोइंग टू कॉलम 2. हम पहले से भरना शुरू करते हैं. सो हियर आई विल बी जनरेटिंग, अगेन आई एम सेइंग दैट क्वीन 3 इज इन कॉलम 2 and queen 4 can then be placed in column 4. There is no other queen's possible location. I hope you are all able to understand what I am trying to make out here. Excuse me. In case you are still unable to understand, please ask. Mansi and one another student who asked me the question, please see whether you are able to understand now or not.
मैम हमने इसमें Q2 को 2 पे प्लेस क्यों किया जबकि वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं था.
Beta, we are not checking it under attack right now. We are only checking right now that whether or not I can build a possible solution. I'm again saying the solution that I'm building here is every queen should be in a different row and different column. Diagonal wala attack we are not checking right now. ठीक है? A yes or no?
So, ma'am, will we be checking for all spaces?
All space, state space diagram is going to give me all the possible solutions. Out of them, which are the feasible solutions, that we will find out. That I'll just tell you. अब समझ आया?
Okay, ma'am.
I am again saying that
Yes, ma'am.
first level पे I am representing the move of queen 1. Second level पे queen 2 के moves हैं. Third level पे queen 3 के. Fourth पे queen 4 के. This is how I am representing. When I am placing queen 1 in the first column, then possibilities are I place queen 2 in the second column, queen 3 in the third column, queen 4 in the fourth column. This is one possibility. Now there are no more possibilities left here. I backtrack. Queen 4 की और तो कोई position possible नहीं है, वरना same column हो जाएगा. So I backtrack here. Queen 3 की whatever other column is possible, we see that. So queen 3 is now placed in column 4. So the column number left for queen 4 is column 3. This is another possible solution. I am not saying whether they are feasible or not, but these solutions are making sure that queens are in different rows and different columns. हम solution space को reduce कर रहे हैं so that we can then check. Now see, we were checking with our eyes whether they are all, see, the power of human brain is so nice. दैट हमें देख के पता चल जाता है कि वो सेम डायगोनल में है, सेम रो में है, सेम कॉलम में है या नहीं. बट कंप्यूटर को चेक करने में ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा एंड द नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस वो 16C4 नहीं चेक करना हमें, ये वाले नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस में से feasible फाइंड आउट करने हैं. अब ठीक है, अब थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू. नहीं समझ आया तो दोबारा पूछ लेना. सो नाउ अगेन अनदर, आफ्टर दिस we cannot backtrack queen 4, we cannot backtrack queen 3 for any other move, so we change the position of queen 2 to the third column and then we see the possible solutions. So we place queen 3 in second column and then queen 4 in fourth column. This is one possible solution. Again backtrack, no more position of queen 4 is possible, change the position of queen 3. So change the position of queen 3 to column 4. Column 3 तो possible नहीं है, Q2 is already in column 3. So you change it to column 4 and then Q4 will come in column 2. So you change Q3 from here to here and Q4 will change from here. Again we are not able to, we are able to get or not, this is one solution. Again go backtrack, no more positions possible for 3 or 4. Go back here, take another position of queen 2 which is now at fourth cell. I hope you all are getting this. Making this now again, see when Q2 has been moved to column number 4, then Q3 can be put in column number 2 and Q4 can be put in column number 3. Only possibility. Again move back, try another position of Q3 which is column number 3. And another position of Q4 will be column number 2. Again go back, change the position. Now Q2 की और कोई position बाकी नहीं रह गई है. Change the position for Q1. So Q1 has been moved to second cell now. After Q1 moves to second cell, again there are many possible solutions. We are just trying to look at every. So I will be changing the position of Q1 now to second column. समझ आ रहा है? We are building the entire state space diagram. So Q1 is, this is known as state space diagram. Are you all able to understand this? अब समझ आ रहा है सबको या अभी भी there is some doubt?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Thank you so much. Because if there is doubt, then I would seriously like to clarify it. Then again, you can place queen 2 in column 1. You will be again attack नहीं check कर रहे हैं हम अभी. Then you will be placing queen 3 in column 3. Sorry, I have missed one node here. So sorry. So now you are having queen 3 in column 3. Sorry, queen 2 in column 1. Then you are having queen 3 in column 3. And finally you are having queen 4 in column 4. Again queen 4 की और कोई position बाकी नहीं है. Backtrack here. Another position for queen 3 would be column number 4 and another position for queen 4 will be column number 3. Backtrack again back to queen 2. Change the position of queen 2. पहले column 1 में थी. Now it goes to column 3. Check all feasible solutions. Then it will go to column 4. All feasible solutions. Then move queen 2, queen 1, sorry, and so on. So you all can build the state space diagram. Yes. You all can build this state space diagram now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now we have to find whether from this we are able to get the feasible solutions or not. So we have to find them that they should not be also on the diagonally problematic areas. This strategy which we are following, this is known as backtracking. इससे जो हमें solutions मिलेंगे, these are all solutions which we are getting in the form of list of 4. तो बहुत सारे solutions मिलेंगे that are in the list of 4 elements each. How many solutions will be there? 24 solutions. 6 solutions are there. In the case when Q1 was placed at 2, 6 solutions will be there in the case when Q1 is placed in second column, so and so. So in short, there will be 24 possible solutions, out of which you have to check which are the feasible ones. Understanding? So you just have to check. How do we check now? Whether they are going adjacent or not. So you have to make sure अब Q1 की diagonal कौन सी होगी और Q2 की diagonal कौन सी होगी. This we have to find out. How do we find out the diagonal elements now? The question now comes. If I am placing 2 queens at the position I, J and K, I'll just, should I rub this diagram and tell you how to check the diagonals? In case I am checking the diagonals, I am saying, I am the position, the cell number, I am placing queen 1 at position I, comma J, and I am placing queen 2 at position K, comma L. These are the position of 2 queens. Now they are on the same diagonal if I minus J is equal to K minus L. I minus J is equal to K minus L. First, or not and. Second, I am having I plus J is equal to K plus L. Only then they are found to be on the same diagonal. This is mathematics, nothing else. Now if I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, if these are happening, supposedly queen 1 is at this position. So this is position 1, comma 2. I'm just taking one example, 1, comma 2. Queen 2 is at this position. This is at position 2, comma 1. So if I try to find out I minus J and K minus L, or this is not equal, minus ka sign aa jayega. If I see I plus J and K plus L, they will be equal. That means they are lying on the diagonal. I plus J will be 3, K plus L will also be 3. That means they are going to lie on the diagonal. Correct? If Q2 is not here, if Q2 is here, that means it is row 2, column 3. In that case, 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 3 will be the same. First condition will hold true. Again, they are on the same diagonal. This will hold true for n queens problem also. Chessboard का size कितना भी बड़ा आप करते जाएंगे, this will hold true. If I plus J is equal to K plus L or I minus J is equal to K minus L, in that case, this is the condition for checking whether or not the queens are lying in the same diagonal. This is one diagonal, this is second diagonal. That is the only difference. Is it clear? A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So using this very thing, now we can develop an algorithm and check where to
Yes,
place
ma'am.
and not to place. If I am just taking these two conditions, if I'm just trying to see both of these conditions and I just rearrange them, this condition only implies to me that J minus L, I'm just taking J this side, is equal to I minus K. Yes or no? And from the second condition also, if I'm taking J minus L, this is equal to K minus I. Is that so? Yes or no? So I can say that J minus L absolute value, if this is equal to the absolute value of I minus K, where I and K are the first indices of both the positions and J and L are the second indices. That is, अगर दोनों queen के row number और column number को हम subtract कर रहे हैं, और absolute is in case you subtract the row number of both the queen and you subtract the column number of both the queen. The absolute value, if you just ignore the sign, if the absolute value is the same, then they are on the same diagonal. Otherwise, they are not on the same diagonal. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Should we
Yes,
now
ma'am.
move on to writing an algorithm?
Ma'am, just wait for a second.
Sure. Next, we move on to writing the algorithm, where I have two parts of the algorithm. I will be placing a queen at some position.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, to give the precise solution to n queens problem, let me do the general algorithm and we'll discuss the 8 queens problem also once, so that we are all very clear. So I am using k comma I. There are two variables. I'm trying to place a queen at the given location. So let's see what we are trying to do over here. I'm running a for loop for j running from 1 to k minus 1. अंडरस्टैंड, दो क्वींस की पोजीशन है, पहली क्वीन ऑलरेडी प्लेस्ड है, दूसरी क्वीन आई एंड के, व्हाट आर दीज आर द रो नंबर ऑफ द टू क्वींस. सो आई नो कि वन क्वीन इज ऑलरेडी एट आई, another queen has to be placed somewhere on k. So I'm trying to find out the position where I can place them. So I'm running one loop from j which is varying from 1 to k minus 1. ठीक है. Now if the position on the board which I'm saying x comma, this is the position that I'm taking on the board. If x of j is equal to I, in that case, or if is not ended, I'm still continuing it, absolute value of x of j minus I is equal to the absolute value of j minus k. So I'm checking this. Then return false, that means I cannot place the queen. Feasible solution is not possible. Else return true, queen place ho jayegi and you will be able to place it somewhere. Now let us see how does it work. X matrix is nothing but it is going to have the solution of what is x of j and x of k. It is nothing but x is the matrix, this matrix, this is I, j, k, जो भी possible 4 values हैं here. So this is all we are trying to find out. So what I am trying to see here is there are two conditions which I am checking. Absolute value के difference and I am checking if x of j is equal to I. In that case I will not be able to place the queen. अगर column number और row number या column number, these are only the column numbers which I am checking. If they happen to be the same, I will not be able to place. If absolute value का difference happens to be same, I will not be able to place. Either case, I return a false value. And I am running this possible j from 1 to all the possibilities till the next whatever k minus 1 is possible. This is how we place a queen. ये समझ आया? Now we find the backtracking algorithm for the n queens. Should I rub this part?
Ma'am, just give me a minute.
This is only for placing a queen where I'm having two row numbers and I'm trying to place them, finding a position for j. So this is what just happening.
Ma'am, what do you mean by this a do below the do if?
X of j is technically giving you the position whether a queen is filled over there or not. It will give you the value of whatever earlier x of j is going to fill you कि यहाँ पे j में कौन सी position पे you have filled it already. You are trying to see different positions ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that column हमारे पास क्वीन 1 कौन से कॉलम में फिल्ड है वो तो हमें यही सोल्यूशन से ही पता चलेगा ना.
ओके मैम.
That is what I'm just trying to look. If there is some queen already on the solution, we'll not be able to fill it. Otherwise, we'll be able to fill it. हमें चेक करना है कि वो
Ma'am,
कॉलम
I was
ऑलरेडी फिल्ड. हाँ.
मैम आई वाज आस्किंग कि ये आपने जो 4th लाइन में लिखा है फर्स्ट लेटर.
और
Okay,
OR
ma'am.
और.
ओके मैम, ठीक है मैम, आ गया, हो गया.
So now I move on to the n queens algorithm using backtracking. This is a function that we needed to call. So if I'm taking a n queens algorithm, there I'm having, say n is the number of rows here, and we are trying to put k minus 1 values into some positions here. So let's see how do we do now. Running I अभी तक कोई भी queen filled नहीं है, so I am running a loop from 1 to n. Now I am trying to check placing possible है या नहीं है. So I check placing k comma I. If the placing is true, अगर return true होगा, then I will place and I will enter the value as I, and in case I have reached n, that means end आ गया है मेरे पास और मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. In that case I will be finally printing the solution here, जो भी हमारा final solution है. This is the final solution. Otherwise I will recursively call the n queens problem for k minus 1 queens. So I am recursively calling this n queen problem for k plus 1 comma n. Understanding? Whenever first time I will be calling it, I will be beginning with 1 comma n. This is all what is about the n queens solution using backtracking. Here you can see I am doing a recursive call for backtracking. Is the algorithm plain and clear? Algorithm is there. First queen को place करा, second को place करा, third को place करा. जब तक true होता गया we keep on placing. True नहीं है, place नहीं करा, I की दूसरी value के लिए check करते गए. Understanding? A yes or no? If we keep on reaching the right solution, then we move on to n queens problem further. If we are not reaching the right solution, we go to the loop and we keep on changing the position. This is backtracking using recursion. I hope everybody is able to understand. We have, जो हमने अभी example में देखा था, the same thing we have implemented. And I want you all to try it in the lab part also. I hope this is clear. Should we quickly see a solution to the possible solution to the 8 queens problem? So that I'm sure you all have understood what we are trying to say. I can erase this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So let's quickly find out a possible solution to 8 queens problem using backtracking only. So I am having 8 rows in the 8 queens. So here class, I have a chessboard of size 8 cross 8. This is a probable 8 queens problem here. I have to place the 8 queens on the board so that none of them is under attack. So when I'm trying to place that, placing queen 1, then I will be placing queen 2 so that they are not falling in the diagonal. Placing queen 3. Queen 3 initially is placed here. Then I am placing queen 4, which can be placed here. सॉरी क्वीन 3 यहाँ पे डायगोनल में आ जाएगी. सो क्वीन 3 is placed here, queen 4 is placed here, still nothing in diagonal. Then I am moving to queen 5, it can be placed here. Queen 6 will be placed at this location. No, it is now coming at the diagonal. Queen 6 is placed here. Queen 7 के लिए कोई position नहीं बची अब. I cannot place queen 7 anywhere. Backtrack. Queen 6 की position change करो. Queen 7 की एक position मिल गई. नहीं मिली. This is still in the diagonal. I cannot have any other position for queen 7. Again backtrack. No more position for queen 6 is possible. Change the position of queen 5. One possible position for queen 5 is this. One possible position for queen 6 is not this. Again this is not. Queen 5 के लिए भी ये possible नहीं है. So sorry. Possibility again queen 5 के लिए ये भी possible नहीं है. Queen 5 is moved to the last. Then check for queen 6. Queen 6 not possible here. Not possible here. Not possible here. Queen 6 की position भी possible नहीं है. That means backtrack the solution. Again change all possible. ये समझ आ रहा है? How am I doing backtracking now? Try changing position of queen 4. It is not possible here. Not possible here. Not possible here. I put queen 4 in the 7th column. Now try putting queen 5. It can be put in the 2nd column. Putting queen 6. It can be safely put here in the 4th column. Queen 7. It cannot be. It can be put here. It is a safe solution here. And queen 8. We are only left with this column. But we cannot put it here because queen 1 and queen 8 will be under attack. So this is not a feasible solution. Again backtrack. Change the position of queen 7. No possible position because queen 2 से attack हो जाएगा. No. Change the position of queen 6. यहाँ पे if I am putting this, queen 1 से attack हो जाएगा. If I am putting it here, queen 2 से attack हो जाएगा. No possible solution. Change the position of queen 5. If I am putting queen 5 over here now, then if I am checking queen 6, one possible solution. Queen 7 can be put here. And queen 8 again, no possible solutions exist. Again queen 8 cannot be put here. Change the position of queen 7 to here. Not possible because queen 2 के attack में आ जाएगी. Change the position of queen 6 again. Now queen 6 की और position है यहाँ पे. It is directly under attack from queen 1. Another position here directly under attack from queen 2. Not possible. Change the position of queen 5 further. There is no other position for queen 5 possible. Change the position of queen 4 further. Are you all able to understand how am I backtracking? Now queen 4 is here. Queen 5 can be put here in the 2nd column. Queen 6 can be put here in the 4th column. Queen 7. If I am putting it here, yes, it can be put here. But again, queen 8 cannot be put anywhere. If I put queen 8 here, queen 7 and queen 8 will be having diagonal issues. Yes, Mansi, you have a doubt? Mansi or Janvi? So again backtracking, no more position for queen 7 can be put here also, but queen 8 की कोई position नहीं बची again. Again backtrack, queen 6 की position change करेंगे. Another possible position for queen 6 is in this cell. It is in direct diagonal, not possible. Again a position is queen 6 is here in the 7th column. Then you place queen 7 in 4th column. But it is in direct attack from queen 5. This is not possible. Again check another position here. Queen 7 not possible. कोई position possible नहीं. No more position for queen 6 possible. Change further position for queen 5. Cannot be put here. Can be put here. Again keep on checking the solution and keep on backtracking. It is a very time taking problem, but since we are trying to find a solution to such a problem, we have to spend time. There is no other option. One possible feasible solution that all of you will find to 8 queens problem is through programming. because it will do earlier for you. One possible solution I can give here, but I want you all to try and find out the solution once. Is it now clear to all of you? One possible solution is this. You can find more possible solutions, that in column 4 I am putting queen 1. Column 6 I am putting queen 2. Column 8 I am putting queen 3. Column 2 is queen 4. Column 7 is queen 5. Column 1 is queen 6. 3 is queen 7. And column 5 is queen 8. Here none of the queens are under attack. There are more than one possible solution to this problem. This is one possible feasible solution. If I am representing this solution, then this is representing 4, 6, 8, 2, 7, 1, 3 and 5. This is one possible solution to your 8 queens problem. You can find more solutions. I hope it is now clear to all of you.